Take control of your PCs from your phone with Teamviewer. Search Teamviewer, install Teamviewer, and you will get the free version of the Teamviewer from its website. Here is the interface you will get. First of all, you need to sign up to get this interface. Here in my phone, get the Teamviewer app from the Google Play Store and put the partner ID given on the screen of your PCs. Click on remote control and type authentication password, and here you can see it is full controlled now with your phone. You can use or you can access any app or folder of your PCs. Really smooth and faster. It has a strong connection with the partner ID or monitor, and it has some connection and it works smooth. You can get some option to click on computer with touch screen or mouse, manage remote, anything you can click through the Teamviewer. Now I'm accessing the Chrome browser, and you literally do everything like you doing work with the Android phone, but you actually controlling your PC from your computer, from your phone, and it is really good at it. There is no lagging with the Teamviewer application. Now I'm showing you how to transfer file from your PC or copy any file from your PC to your phone. Another time, put the partner ID and password and see you can get PC's C drive and F drive, which is my PC's drives. I have two drives, C and F, and it's showing all the drive I have, and I literally access any file, and I can copy any file from my computer. For example, I'm copying one file with the name with arrow, and click on upper right corner. There is a option, and just mark on it which file do you want to copy, and then click on go to my file and select your SD card, means your phone memory, and external storage is mean your memory card. Copying this file to my memory card. It is really speed on copying file. It has faster connection when you're copying the file, and it's copying file really fast, and it can copy the file really fast. So that's it. Thank you.